If you're a road-weary rocker and you're looking to drown out the outside world, you'll probably be very interested in this new pair of headphones from Marshall. They're called the Mid A.N.C, and they add active noise cancellation to the company's already awesome mid on-ear headphones. The first thing you'll notice about the new Mid A.N.C is that they add a little bit to the price tag of the original mid. What you get for that is a couple cool stylistic upgrades that you didn't have in the original model. The coolest thing that you get with the Mid A.N.C that you don't get with the standard model is this awesome leather carrying case. It has the rad rock and roll aesthetic that we really like from Marshall. There are a couple aesthetic changes to the Marshall Mid A.N.C that let you know that it's not a slap together update. And the first is this gold lettering. On the standard model, you just get white. And then if you look on the inside of the headband and flip it over, you see that they've added a different material for the headband that sticks a little bit better to your head, and this gold Marshall lettering on the inside as well. So the only functional change to the new Mid A.N.C headphone is this active noise cancellation switch. And you switch it on by just flipping it up, switch it off by flipping it down. One thing we love that stuck around on this version of the Mid is this small little brass thumbstick, and that controls everything on the headphones. So you press it to turn the headphones on or to pair or play and pause. Left and right will change songs, and up and down will change the volume. So besides the case, you get the same accessories that came with the standard model. It comes with a micro USB charging cable, and then you have a 3.5mm microphone cable for using wired with a phone that still has a headphone jack. Just like the original Mid model, the new Mid A.N.C has a very tight clamping force, and what that means for an on-ear headphone is that actually you get some excellent passive noise isolation right out of the box. So when you add in the new active noise cancellation features, you get a very silent listening experience. They don't quite offer you the same amount of sonic isolation as the Sony WH-1000X Mark II or the Bose QC35, but both of those are more premium over-ear headphones, so we don't really expect them to compete. But in this mid-tier price bracket, they actually do offer you quite a great amount of sonic isolation. Whether you're on the train, in an office, or on a plane, you really won't hear much of what's going on around you, and that's impressive at this price point. In terms of sound, these offer the same punchy depth and fun to listen to characteristics that we loved about the original Mid. In fact, they sound identical as far as we can tell. Even with active noise cancellation engaged, you don't get any weird background noise or Bluetooth hum, and that can sometimes be an issue with active noise cancellation headphones and wireless headphones in general. When you couple the great sound with the good looks of these headphones, it kind of makes them a unique product in this marketplace, and it gives you a better look than some of the more office casual noise canceling headphones out there. Much like Marshall's famed instrument amps, these are very energetic and punchy, and so they really bring a lot of depth to rock music from the 60s, 70s, and beyond. But even then, you can listen to hip-hop, you can listen to jazz, really any instrumental music is going to sound fantastic on these headphones. If you're looking for a stylish pair of wireless headphones that also offer great silence, these are an awesome pair, and they're absolutely worth considering just for that alone. They're so unique, they offer a great sound profile, and you absolutely will not regret buying them.